Lottie here. Today we are making some slime. All you need is PVA glue, and some soda.
Eye solution. Food colouring.
Then glitter. But we're not having these glitters.
Okay, first ingredient, Lottie.
First ingredient is PVA.
So you need a big dollop. Would help you. We don't want to make it too big, so just a decent portion.
Just a
There you
decent
go.
portion
So that's
like
in there.
this.
Then bicarbonate of soda. Careful.
Just
You
a
need
half teaspoon
soda.
of
Pop it in.
soda.
Okay, part of the spoon now. Food colouring next.
Food colouring.
You can do any food colouring colour you want.
As much as you want though, guys.
I'll do. That's great.
So this is how much you would rather need.
Yeah, give that a good stir.
Then we need to stir it.
Give it a good stir. So it mixes the colours. Let's hold it up so everyone
So
can see.
it mixes the colour instead of white.
There you go. There you go in. It makes a nice pretty colour.
And I have got another person who is going to help me, and that is my brother Noah. Noah's going to stir it for me.
Can you show us now what it's starting to look like? It's a nice pink colour. We've used red food colouring, but it makes a nice red colour.
And it will make a nice dark pink colour or a light pink colour.
Okay, after that let's add some. Should we add some glitter?
So we are going to add some glitter. Because we are making unicorn slime.
Unicorn sparkle slime. Come on, get it in. Get plenty in. Should we tip it up so we can see? Look at that.
That'll do.
Let's take it here. How's that looking? Look good? Look at that.
It is so glittery. Let's stir it, Noah.
So then when you get an angle on it, you'll be able to...
I've got nice squishy.
Now what do we need to put in, Lottie?
Eye solution.
Eye solution now.
Right, just put a little bit in each time and you'll start to feel it get gooey. Yeah, put a
Bit at a time.
bit at a time.
But stirs it.
So you keep stirring bit by bit.
Put some more
Get
in.
the Lottie.
It smells funny in here because we've done this slime.
Come on, some more please.
Bit more Lottie. Big bit.
That was a big bit.
Okay, big bit.
Yeah.
Keep going now. Keep going.
Keep going, guys. My brother has got to keep going.
Keep going.
Lottie, my arm's aching. You want to go?
Keep going. See what
Okay.
happens now.
Lottie, you do it.
Have a little
I'm
bit.
taking.
My go now.
Oh my gosh, this is killing me.
start coming together.
When it's going off the sides, it's probably nearly ready.
It's starting to react, pulling the slime off the side. So just a bit at a time then, not much. There you go, keep going.
Just a bit at a much of eye solution at a time.
Right then, do we need some more of that eye solution?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit more.
A little bit more of eye solution.
Oh, very good.
It came off the side. If it comes off the sides, it's nearly ready. And mine's all came off the sides.
Have a quick look. Keep stirring it. Because what you need to do now is keep kneading it and stirring it.
And then in the part 2 we are going to do blue.
Let's have a look.
In part 2 we are going to do blue.
And put some different ingredients in.
And the blue slime will be my brother's, which is me, Noah, which is Noah.
Whoa, that's sticking really
Okay, now you can
well.
start doing it with your fingers. Get your fingers involved. Pull your sleeves up.
Okay,
Sticky situation.
let's get our squishies up.
Squishy.
Lottie, you having fun?
Yeah.
How much fun is it? Tell everyone please, come on.
It is really fun but super gooey.
Do we need a bit more contact?
Tiny bit.
Tiny bit, right, put it back in the bowl. Oh no.
Came off.
Wow, that's actually worked really well, guys.
It's worked really
Yep,
well.
only a tiny bit now.
What day was it before this day?
On Saturday.
On Saturday we was trying to do slime but we forgot the soda.
And
it was really sticky, it got stuck to my leggings.
We've tried so many different recipes, haven't we?
guys,
But then Dad brought the soda and then and he put too much in there and so it was really watery.
Yeah, the key is don't put too much soda in.
Don't put too much soda in, guys, because then it will turn too watery.
Right, now you can get it out now. You don't need to keep stirring. Play with your fingers.
oh my gosh, guys, we have made slime.
Have a look.
Look,
It's not even sticking to my hand, guys.
so look at the glitters.
It's amazing.
Oh, let's have a look.
This is amazing.
That is
Because
glittery.
this is so glittery and it is amazing feels.
Let's have a look at it again. Show us the glitter. Keep
Amazing.
it still.
Guys, shall we do clear glue for part 2? Comment down below
For this pink slime video,
if you want to see any more slime making videos.
we are gonna do one after this.
Please subscribe to my sister's channel and leave and like this video, please.
And it is called, my channel is called Lottie's World. Give me thumbs up and subscribe for my videos.
So big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.